Guys, Nation 46 here, along with 56, Mr. JJ Jones 56. Welcome to Saints Row 2 Let's Play number 9, I believe. And last episode we were, I don't know, you don't have a phone. You can't Skype each other. Is she asleep? Here, cover me. Well, I gotta make a Skype. That's you! You're the freaking Cobras. Wait, can I record and use?
Yeah.
Oh, I can? Okay. Oh. This is like the zombie uprising part, guys. If you ever seen that. Kill Samurai. Shut up, homeless people. She said no. Yeah, I'm recording. I wouldn't be. Okay. No, she's asleep. What? No, Johnny. Oh! Oh my God! Here, cover me, cover me, cover me. Stop, you faggot! Yeah, I know. How do you destroy a shack? Oh. Are you gonna throw people? Yeah, I just realized that. Wow, Johnny. Johnny freaking keeps on killing everyone when I try to destroy their things. You're a freaking bum. Why are you calling the police? You're going in the fire. What? Sweet.
It's kind of a shit hole.
Yep.
I don't know, man. I don't know. You had me at stripper pole.
I'm a girl, and I said you had me at stripper poles.
Why would you say that? That's another mission down the train. Now we're going to rolling.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go do some brawling missions. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like it, subscribe to my channel. Just click subscribe button. And 56 Mr. JJ Jones 56. Check out his channel too. He has some pretty cool videos too. And He has Minecraft mod reviews. He has Call of Duty. But he's not gonna have this Saints Row, so it's exclusively gonna be on my channel and on our joint channel, which is Lieutenant Player. So Lieutenant Playa. So if you guys could check that out, big thanks. So this is Sprint Nation 46, along with 56, Mr. JJ Jones 56 signing off.